your country CEO back in the house again, man. Look, Mo Game. Mo Game and Mo Game. Yeah, y'all look, I'm at my church office doing these videos on a Sunday. Good little spot, I figure, just as good as ever for me to talk to you and give it to you straight, real, unadulterated, uncut game. That's right. Look, welcome back to the channel, subscribers, members, fam, friends, fans. We love you. Look, talking about all the stuff I did right when I got started. Here's another video. Look, I created a maintenance account. You've heard me talk about maintenance last year. I'm going to talk about it again. I've seen too many people go out because of the maintenance issue. Look, I'm going to always talk about maintenance because it's so very, very important, right? So I created a maintenance account, y'all, at the beginning. I didn't wait at the beginning. So what did you do? How did you do that, CEO? Well, first thing is you need to know that you got to set aside money for maintenance, right? Because it's not a question of if, but it's a question of when. You're going to need to use money to change all grease, buy tires, buy alternator, buy a starter, other stuff that happens, right? All right, so here's what I did, and here's what you should do. In the beginning, basically, I kept the account at a certain level, right? To afford maintenance, right? I understood that I needed to have a couple thousand in there. So what I did was I understood that principle, first of all, from the beginning, right? So there needs to be an understanding. You got to have money in a maintenance account, right? Second thing I did, I opened up a separate account. This didn't happen right off when I first started because I had a lump sum there when I first started and business a little bit there. But then I realized, okay, I need to open up a separate account, have money going directly there. I didn't even depend on myself to write a check to put it there. I had it automatically withdrawing to go over there, right? All right, so before I got a check, it just automatically same bank, separate checking account, have it pull out of that account, your general account, going directly over there to that account. All right, that worked wonders for me. All right, look, if this video has been valuable to you so far, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video. Right, so finally, this is a short one, y'all. It's straight to the point. Ain't nothing tricky about this. Finally, I had money drafted. It began to build up, and when we're doing really well, I went to the bank and increased the amount, right? As we speak, as $500 a month, a week, should I say, that goes to maintenance, right? All right, because it's that important. All right, and so that's what you should do. Then finally, when we were really rolling, I would take lump sums and then add it. So I didn't just do just when we were rolling, taking and increasing the amount weekly, but when we were really, 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 really rolling and had great weeks, I would take lump sums, 1,000, 1,500, and shift it over here to maintenance because I understood that it's not a question of if, it's just a question of when. Maintenance, I've seen sink a lot of guys, weren't able to make it, can't fix the truck. Gotta get a loan to fix the truck. I mean, I can understand if it's an engine or transmission, something big like that. Yeah, you might have to go get a loan, get a little money to do that. But just simple stuff that you should be able to just keep ahead of. You either have money in a separate account for that. Look, that's the game. Ain't nothing tricky about it. Straight to the point. That's one of the things I did right. I understood the principle of needing a maintenance account. Look, country CEO, that's another video that rhymes. I'm gone.